welcome to Spoonful Easy Cooking. Today I was just cooking one sabji, that is of lady's finger or bindi. So I thought I will just show my viewers also this jatpat cooking. So without much delay, I'll show you. I've taken a pan, I've heated it. Now I add oil to it. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, we shall add jeera or the cumin seeds to it. So this is the home cooking. I was preparing dinner. I thought I'll show my viewers also the quick sabji how to make. Most of the children don't like to have bindi. So I add potatoes or the aloo to my bindi, and they really like it this way. This is the recipe of my mother. She taught me this recipe, so I thought let me show my viewers as well. So once this jeera is splattered, we'll just add aloo to it. Potatoes. Give a stir. The flame can be medium to high, no issues. So now to this we add little bit of turmeric and salt. Yes, now we add turmeric to the potato and a bit of salt. We'll be adding salt little later as well after we put our lady's finger. So, just give a stir and let us keep the gas on sim and cook the potatoes. Yes, let us keep the flame on medium to low, or you can keep it on sim as well, and let the potatoes be half done. Let's check the potatoes whether it's half done or not. It's almost 5 to 6 minutes. We'll just check it this way whether yes, it's inserted. So this is the stage we add the lady's finger to it. Make sure the lady's finger is not very thinly sliced. It should be medium. The roundels need to be medium, this size, not too thin. Otherwise it will become very mushy and slimy. So here we give a nice stir to it. Just give a stir and we will allow it to cook for next 5 minutes, and then we shall add masala to it. Yeah, it's almost after 5 minutes. Let's check. Yes, now we add chilli powder to it. This is as per your spice level. As I am making for kids, I don't want it to be too spicy. That's it. In this, there is no much masala going, only turmeric, jeera I have already put. Now, chilli powder. I have taken Kashmiri chilli in it and salt. That's it. So this is a sukka sabji. You can serve along with dal or anything, whatever you wish, along with paratha or chapati. So let this cook, and then at the last stage I will be adding one more ingredient. So keep watching. Now it's almost 7 minutes. Yes, our sabji is getting cooked. See, the potatoes are done. Yes, at this stage let's add asafoetida to it, or the hing, or in Malayalam it's called as kayam. So just add few pinches of it for good digestion. Yes, and good flavor also will definitely come. 2-3 pinches of it. That's enough. Yes, and give a nice stir. Spice you can check according to your level. We eat very less spicy food. So this is not slimy. See, you should not cut it too thin, then it will become slimy. This is sukka and dry sabji. So this is how it's almost done. And at this point, do check for the salt. If it is less, add at this stage. And now I shall show you how to serve. Yes, so our Bindi aloo is ready. Lady's finger and potato. Wow, it's nice. Now I'm going to serve it with garam garam fulka and dal. So enjoy, do try and do let me know how you find this jatpat cooking. See you again with a new recipe. Bye-bye.